this is Cecilia Stories. Today we're going to be making another yummy treat. We're going to be making watermelon popsicles. If you see watermelon, well, this is toy. This is the real watermelon, the star of the show. You want to see the star? This is the star of the show. Yes. And we also need the rest of the ingredients. We have sugar and lemon juice. Well, since we're in the Philippines, we're not using lemon juice. We're using Calamansi juice. The popsicle mold. Yes, and the popsicle mold. Here is our blender, so we can make the popsicle. So I guess that means let's get started. And this is my little sister, Caris. She is going to be joining us, and she will be helping me. Say hi, Caris. She said hi. So the first thing we're going to be doing is putting the watermelon in here. And don't forget to ask a grown-up for help in case you're having a hard time. Whoa. That was cute. My turn. Whoa, that's big. Woohoo! This is so much fun. You go. Let's go together. Whee! Let's be careful it doesn't fall. Oh! This is so much fun. Next, let's put the sugar and the calamansi juice, and we start blending. Anyways, Caris wants to start already. So let's put the whole thing in. Whoa, it went all the way down. That was so cool. Next, let's do the juice. Whee! Dump it in. Now let's start blending. This is so loud. It's so loud. Now we cover it and start to blend. Make sure it's properly covered. Now let's press. Once in a while, you should open it so you can crush to help it go down. And my corgi doesn't like it. Now press once again. It's so loud. That's very nicely. Now let's pour it in because it's properly blended. But don't forget to ask a grown-up for help. Because it's too heavy. Now let's pour it in. Ooh, almost too much. Ooh, these watermelon popsicles are turning out great. Oh, too much. Too much. Not too much. Ah! Now let's cover it. Get the popsicle mold. Let's whoop. Oh, whoa, this one's too much. At least this one's gonna be extra tasty. Yeah. I've got I have a lot of leftovers, so I guess I'm going to be putting this in the fridge, and then I'll drink it as a shake later. Will Caris drink it? Okay, but now let's put this in the freezer. We waited for the next day, and now we have our popsicle. And now the taste test. Yeah, taste test. You didn't get anything. That was cute. Let me help you. You won't get anything that way. Let me help you. Oh, silly Caris. Well, these popsicles are really juicy, really yummy, and they're made from real fruit, and they're actually really easy to make. This popsicle, if I were to describe it, it's refreshing, it's sweet, it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye! Ah.